Okay, so I'm back again. How are you? Thank you so much for staying with me. So today I'm doing for you a smoky eye tutorial. Maybe that's why I'm wearing black. Am I inspired by the black? Huh? Don't mind me. Let's just get into it. Okay, so my face is kind of prepped. I've only applied foundation. I haven't done so much yet. And my brows are already done, so we're just gonna go straight into the eyes and then finish up the whole makeup. What do you think about that? So I'll be using the LA Girl Concealer in Warm Honey on my eyelids. This will just help me to, prep my eyes and then go into the eyeshadow. So I'm just using this concealer flat brush to blend it all out on my eyelid. If you have an eye primer, feel free to use it. I have one right here, classic, and I'm just going to apply very little. Just to make whatever color I use pop more. So I have this new pencil by Kiss Beauty. It is everlasting. Oh, sorry about that. It is long-lasting waterproof eye pencil gel, and it is black. So I'm gonna apply that first on my eyelid. This will also serve as a base for our black eyeshadow to pop better. So I'm just going to use my finger to blend it. It's appearing like it is gray, maybe because of the eyeshadow primer. But by the time I put the black eyeshadow on it, it'll be good. Okay, looking good. Smoky eye is about blending. You don't want to have ash lines all over the place. So, well, it depends on the kind of smoky eye you're trying to get, right? So I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty Remastered Rose Gold palette, and it has a beautiful black in it. This is the black, so I'm just going to pick the black with my eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to take the same pencil underneath my eyelid. So I'm going to take this nude color to blend out the eyeshadow. So I decided to use this color as well for a deeper contour. Looks like it's brown and gray at the same time. It will just blend perfectly into the black. Yeah, I like this. This is the color that I'm using. It looks like grayish brown, and it's just giving me that gray tone right here at the upper part of the black. It's just perfect. Just makes the edges appear softer. and I decided to intensify my black up here a bit with my precision blending brush. Just raising the bar up, you know what I mean. Next, I'll be using this powder for my brow bone by Sacha Butter Cosmetics. It is absolutely good for setting and it's really good. I'm just gonna finish up this area with my concealer and setting powder so that I can finish the rest of the lower eyelid. So I'm using the same setting powder. So I have this spot here. It looks like it wants to mess up my day. I'm not gonna allow it. I'm just gonna use that same eyeshadow that I used up here to blend out my lower eyelid. For that smoky effect. Wondering why my eye is red? Well, I've told the story before. Maybe it'll be a story for another day. I don't know why it's there, but it's gonna go away. It can't stay there. In the name of Jesus. So I'd like to darken my lower eyelid a bit more. Very jelly. You don't need eyeliner. Some people love to put eyeliner, but you can just apply your what's it called now, lashes, your false lashes, and you're good to go. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of the makeup and then apply our false lashes. Next is my Super Stay powder, Java 375. It is very dark, so I'm using it for my contour. So if you notice, I lighted this area down here, so this place is already appearing a bit dark, so that's where I'm going to put my contour, just to snatch my cheekbones. See the difference? It's darker now, so apply more here, blend in, and then right here. My chin. And I could decide to have it more defined. Next, I'll be using my melanin powder in Warm 109. It is a perfect matte powder and it's not expensive. It's about $3.5 and that's less than $10. 3,500 naira. Okay, we're coming together. I'm coming in out. Next is Technique Gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's an highlighter and I absolutely love it. So right here, right here, right here, right here. I love to apply on my cooking bowl. All these pimples and spots, they don't want me to be great. It's a lie. I have fallen in love with this Nuban Beauty brown matte lipstick. It is called Peach and it's very brown. Next is this lipstick by Zaron Cosmetics. It's called Tease. And I'm just gonna blend. Up next is this lipstick called Broadway Colors. I think I love what it looks like. I might get more of their lip colors. I absolutely love it. It just brightens up my lips. And then next is Classic. This is a clear lip gloss. Don't worry, my lipstick is a mess. Just darkening it with some brown. Some lip pencil. Yeah. What's the name? Me Now. That's the name of the lip pencil. Just a regular brown lip pencil. And guys, I'm tempted to add a bit more. What do you think? Is it perfect? Ooh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Lashes. So before I forget, this is Classic Blush and I absolutely love the fact that it's very ready. So I'm just going to be using very little. So I'm using Lancome mascara called Idol. Up next is this lash tray by Metix, Miss Metix. It's called Meg. It has a couple of lashes in it and they have different ones. So I'm gonna be using this one at the topmost. So I'm using this dual lash glue. It is brush on and we're just gonna apply it on the lash.
Rise
Yes, so we've come to an end of this makeup look and I absolutely love it. Hope you do as much as I do. Thank you, bye.